Hello and welcome back to our channel Coursology Hub. I am Jyoti Jha and I hope you all are doing well. So as all of you know that we are doing special education 1000 question practice series in both the medium Hindi and English. So till now we have completed 60 questions in Hindi and 60 question in English. Okay, and today I am here for another 20 question of series in special education in English medium. Okay, so if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss out our notification. And let's get start to the video. The first question is, who gave two factors theory of intelligence? Options are option A Holzman, option B Spearman, option C Binet, and option D Guilford. So what you all have to do, I'll tell you the question and the option. So you have to pause this video right in there and comment down below the right answer of that question. Okay, and you have to do this step in every question. Okay, and then you'll check that how many questions are right, answers are right, yours. Okay, so let's get started. You can pause this video and then I'll tell you the right answer. So the right answer is option B Spearman. Question number 2. What is G factor in Spearman theory of intelligence? Options are option A genetic factor, option B geographical factor, option C journal factor, or option D all of the above. So pause this video, comment down below what is the right answer according to you, and then check that your answer is right or wrong. Okay, so the right answer is option C journal factor. Question number 3. What happens when there are stressful in life? Option A decrease blood pressure level, option B happiness, option C physical changes, or option D none of the above. So the right answer is option C physical changes. Question number 4. MMPI stands for, options are option A Minnesota Multizonal Personality Inventory, option B Minnesota Multiphasic Personality Invention, option C Minnesota Multiphasic Personality Inventory, or option D Minor Multiphasic Personality Inventory. So the right answer is option C Minnesota Multiphasic Personality Inventory. So the next question is question number 5. When a person has complete or partial loss of movement, he may have in what condition? Option A tumor, option B paralysis, option C TB, or option D autism. So the right answer is option B paralysis. Question number 6 is, otitis media is caused by option A fever, option B overeating, option C virus, or option D excess use of media. So according to you, what is the right answer? Please pause this video and comment down below. Okay, so the right answer is option C virus. Question number 7. Educational psychology is the branch of which discipline? So option A is anthropology, option B philosophy, option C sociology, or option D psychology. So the right answer is option D psychology. Question number 8. Binet-Kamat test, this is test not list. Binet-Kamat test is used for option A aptitude, option B is interest, option C intelligence, or option D personality. So the right answer is option C intelligence. Question number 9. Full form of NIMHANS is Option A, National Institute of Mental Health and Neuroscience. Option B, National Institution of Mental Health and Neurosciences. Option C, Nodal National Institute of Mental Health and Neuroscience. Option D, National Institute of Mental Health and Neuroscience. So the right answer is option D, National Institute of Mental Health and Neuroscience. Question number 10. IHBAS is Institute of Human Behavior and Allied Sciences. Option number A is this. Option number B, Institute of Human Behavior and Aloof Science. Option C, Institute of Humanity Behavior and Allied Sciences. Option number D, Institute of Human Behavior and Allied Social Science. Okay, so the right answer is option A, Institute of Human Behavior and Allied Science. Question number 11. National Institute of Mental Health and Neuroscience NIMHANS is situated in which state of India? Options are option A, Kerala, option B, Karnataka, option C, Kurukshetra, or option D, New Delhi. So the right answer is Karnataka. Option B is right. Question number 12. What does UNICEF stand for? UNICEF. Option A, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Option B, United Nations International Child Care Emergency Fund. Option C, United National International Children's Emergency Fund. Or option D, United Nations Interface Children's Emergency Fund. So the right answer is option A, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Question number 13. Sign language is used for which disability? Options are option A, visual impairment, option B, hearing impairment, option C, locomotor disability, or option D, sickle cell. So the right answer is option B, hearing impairment, HI. Question number 14. In which part of human body smallest bone exists? Options are option A, nose, option B, eye, option C, ear, or option D, neck. So the right answer is option C, ear. Question number 15. What does OCD stand for? Options are option A, obsessive compulsive disorder, option B, obsession complicated disorder, option C, obstruction compulsive disorder, or option D, obsessive compulsive disability. So the right answer is option A, obsessive compulsive disorder. So the next question number 16 is, which technique can be used for phobic child? Options are option A, implosive, option B, flooding, option C, both, or option D, none of the above. So the right answer is both. Option A and option B is right, implosive and flooding. Question number 17. Which defense mechanism is also called as selective forgetting? Your options are option A, e-stress, option B, displacement, option C, regression, or option D, repression. So the right answer is option D, repression. Question number 18. In which stage of Piaget's cognitive development the child learns through simulation? Options are option A, pre-operational, option A is pre-operational, option B is concrete operational, option C is sensory motor, or option D, formal operation. So the right answer is option A, pre-operational. Question number 19. Which stage of Piaget's cognitive development theory is also known as thinking stage? Options are pre-operational, option A, Option B, concrete operational. Option C is sensory motor, or option D, formal operation. So the right answer is pre-operational. Option A is right. Okay. Question number 20. Dash is the common type of sensory neural hearing loss due to natural aging of auditory system. Option R. Option A is prebicusis. Option B of damage of incus. Option C is brain hemorrhage, or option D, none of the above. So the right answer is option A, presbycusis. Sorry. Okay. So thank you everyone watching our video. Please like this video and comment down below how many answers was right. Okay. So how much you have scored out of 20. Okay. And please share this video as much as you can. And also, if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss out our notification. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.